everyone, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Now me and Nirmal, we are going towards Hatta Dam and we are on Maliha Road right now, going towards Hatta Dam, and both sides you can see is just desert. We are going through complete desert. There is nothing here. It's only this road that is passing over here. Both sides we have desert, and most people come here for desert safari. I did see few cams and quad bikes, and also there is camel riding. This is reminding me of Ras Al Khaimah or Khor Fakkan Road. The Khor Fakkan Road was really nice with those tunnels and the roads. The drive was really nice. Now we are starting to get a feel of that same. You see all the rocks are like loose sediments, and that's looking great. The mountain up there on top. Look at this road in front and some work going on there. There's a bridge here, bridge work going on and it's completed, and other places there is bridge work going on. There's a huge project happening here. It looks absolutely wonderful here, this area and the road. Among these mountain ranges and among these mountains, the road is absolutely beautiful. And at night, when there is Hatta is this direction, Alkur and Hatta. When there is lighting or when the street lights are on, it looks absolutely beautiful. And look at that view coming in from the tunnel. Hatta Dam is there, fruit, vegetable and meat market, Hatta Sports Club, Hatta Hospital, Hatta Majlis and Hatta Park. This is like a small town all over here. There's a bus station here. There is a bus station here. So even if you want to come in bus, I think you can come, not only in your personal vehicles. You can come over in bus. I don't know from where the bus is starting or from which bus station it is. You can finally come here on bus. This whole village or this town is looking extremely cute and beautiful. Here we have these palm dates farm. Lots of palm dates. Whatever dates we see here and there mostly comes from these places. Lots of date palms. That's the Hatta police station, that's on the left side. Hatta Dam, we have to go to the left, and Hatta Sports Club is to the right. So we need to take left there. I just saw these paintings here. It is nice. It is on one of the walls.
Graffiti.
It looks like a narrow village or congested place, but the roads are good. That is Hatta. I can see kind of a bridge there. I don't know what is it, or maybe that's a Hatta viewpoint. There are few people riding horses also. Tourists go. They've hired the tours, and there's a caravan. There is a caravan food stall here. Lot of people here. Today is Friday. I think that is why we have a lot of vehicles.
Then turn left.
And there is a police vehicle. This is Hatta Dam. Finally we are here. We'll just park our cars here and go all the way up there, and if possible and if the kayaks are available, we will go kayaking. I've never done it, so this will be the first time. So finally we've started climbing up towards the Hatta Dam, and it is quite windy also. Look at that, all the kayaks, the colorful kayaks out there. And I actually wanted to walk on the dam, but there's a huge crowd as it is Friday today, so I'm not just walking there. Just waiting here, and Nirmal is there about to take the tickets. And yes, finally I am here at Hatta Kayak. We're going for the Hatta Kayak. This is the entrance. And there it is. Look at those mountains. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. He's seeing the number, which number is better. He wants 216, he takes 216 and he gives me 217. And now finally walking down towards the Hatta Kayak. It should be a nice kayaking experience. And I just asked one official, I asked him, it's already dark, won't it be difficult when it gets late? He told there are lightings along the ends of the dam, so it will be lit up completely. So we will get to see the lighting also. Hatta Mountain Conservation Area. Finally, we got the colored ones. It's like, it's all the same color, but the earlier ones that we got was faded.
Thanks.
So this is thanks to Nirmal, and we are going towards the kayak parking areas. I don't know what is it called. It's a complete this one complete floating platform, and excited. We have someone jumping behind. It is beautiful from up here. I am all ready for it. I am up with my life jacket and ready, and I've got my kayaks here. Nirmal is there getting ready for his kayak, and ये मेरे लिए क्या?
Red, take the orange one. Orange is for you.
And this one is for me, and I am in here. This is the first time. हाँ. ये 1300. मेमोरी है, मोबाइल में भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So I am finally in my kayak, and they are asking me about look at the ducks there, going there, and Nirmal is out there. Move. Woo! Finally out here for my first kayaking experience. This is seriously amazing. This is seriously nice, very nice. Just loving it. First time I'm kayaking. All the water coming up to me. He is scared of kayaking. I am the one who just pulled him up into this. Finally here, kayaking deck.
Hey guys, how you doing?
My first experience kayaking. It's going on well and it looks fantastic from here. I'm just rowing with one hand, and there are all the there are all the mountains and all the boats. Everyone enjoying. All of the families, they are enjoying. We are out on single boats and it is nice. I am in the middle here. I am in the middle of the lake and the water is a bit wavy, but the water is very clear and so calm, and the breeze is amazing. Just having a wonderful time here kayaking. We thought of going up till the end. We paid around 60 dirhams for the ticket and it is unlimited kayaking. You don't have a time limit to stop your kayak, but at 9 o'clock they will stop and they will ask everyone to go back. So that is when you need to return. Now it's around 6:30 and the sun is set already, but there is still light and it is going on well. It's so peaceful and so calm. And there Nirmal has joined me now. He's on my right side. This is absolute fun and I will show you how clear the water is. You can see here the water is so clear, so damn clear. The damn water is so damn clear. I want to dip my GoPro into the water, but I don't want to do it now because once I keep it back I will get wet. So just enjoying this ambience. Yes, you can see there the lights lit up and there is Nirmal there. Woo! And finally I reached the other end of the dam after maybe like 15 to 20 minutes of kayaking, and here I am, almost reached the end of this place. It's dark already and the lights have come on that side and they're asking us to return back. So once I'll reach there I will return back. It's already turned night and it's almost like 7:30 and we are still in the dam kayaking. So it's so peaceful. I'm just staying relaxed in my boat and slowly kayaking, and you can see how it is turned up. The whole mountains they've set up with lights, so it looks so nice, and the breeze is something special here. It's not too cold, but it's the perfect weather now, right now, and I went till the end and it was nice. It's unlimited. That is what I just love about it. You can stay here all the time you want to and just relax. It's such a wonderful place to explore. So Hatta. So if someone else asks me, surely I will suggest Hatta, as I just love this place. Come here like 3:30 or 4. You reach here by 3:30 or 4. Don't be late. And come here in the winter. November to March time is very good. It's a budget trip. You can just drive 2 hours, like 1.5 hour or 2 hours from Dubai and reach Hatta. The drive is also an awesome one. And then you will reach this Hatta Dam where I am right now. And you can have all these things. If you want boats, speedboats, they have that also. And double kayaks are also there. Then you have the family boats, the pedal boats, and also the motor boats. So whichever you want to select, you can select. I'm not sure if the other stuff are unlimited or not, but kayak is unlimited. And this is what I came here for, kayaking. So that's all from here today. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon.